Welcome to another how-to video for the OptimalCloud. This video will show you how to enter a user manually. This video will discuss the new user account configuration, including the user profile and how to add groups, organizations, and applications during the account creation process. To create an OptimalCloud account for a new user, go to the User Manager application on the Identity Management tab. The User Manager application allows the tenant admin to view all users in the tenant. To create a new user, click on the Create New User button. This will present the user details page. The Profile tab contains the main pieces of information for the user account. Fields that are preceded by an asterisk are required. Enter the user profile fields. The string entered in the user ID field will become the username used to log in to the OptimalCloud. The user's email address is common. The email address will be used to send communications to the user. Entering a mobile phone number allows the user to choose the multi-factor authentication options that use the phone number, if they have been enabled for the tenant. Set the Notify New User field to Yes to send a registration email to the user to complete the registration process. The user's address information is entered on the Address tab. These fields are optional. The new user may be added to groups, organizations, and applications that have already been configured in the tenant during the account creation process. To add the user to a group, go to the Groups tab. Click the Add Groups button. The list of groups is presented. The tenant admin may add any group to a user. Select a group by clicking on the checkbox next to that group. Click the Add Groups button. The group will show as pending add in the Group Manager table until the account is saved. To add the user to an organization, go to the Organizations tab. Click on the Add Organizations button. The list of organizations is presented. The tenant admin may add any organization to a user. Click on the Add Organizations button. The organization will show as pending add in the Organization Manager table until the account is saved. To add the user to an application, go to the Applications tab. Click the Add Applications button. The list of applications is presented. The tenant admin may add any application to a user. Select an application by clicking on the checkbox next to that application. Click the Add Applications button. The application will show as pending add in the Application Manager table until the account is saved. When all the information has been entered, click on the Save button to create the account. The User Successfully Created message will be presented. Click the Return to User Manager button. The new user account will be shown on the User Manager page with the organization and application that were selected. The new user status will be pending until the user responds to the registration email and completes the registration process. For more information, please see the Create New User section of the OptimalCloud help documentation. Thank you. Thank you for viewing this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos for the OptimalCloud. If you have further questions or comments, you can contact us at sales@optimalidm.com or support@optimalidm.com.